Welcome to Burlap Teachers. Enjoy the video.
You start by opening Finder and selecting the folder you want to recolor. Press CMD+I to open Get Info immediately. Next, make or open an image in Preview. Use a transparent background so the shape becomes the icon. Draw a rectangle or circle, then fill it with the exact color you want. This gives you a solid, crisp icon. Once done, adjust size to roughly 512 times 512 or larger, so it scales well in Finder and remains sharp on Retina displays. With your colored image ready in Preview, select the shape or the entire image using CMD+A, then copy it with CMD+C. You need the image on the clipboard, so make sure any background is transparent if you want the folder shape to show through. Keep the folder's Get Info window visible and selected. This saves time. The reason you use Preview and the clipboard is macOS only accepts pasted image data into the folder icon field. This is the reliable, system-supported method. Now click the small folder icon at the top left of the Get Info window until it highlights, then press CMD+V to paste your copied image. The folder icon updates instantly. Close Get Info and inspect the folder in Finder. If the icon does not change, restart Finder or log out and back in to refresh caches. If pasting fails, make sure the image is a PNG with transparency and is large enough. Convert it in Preview and repeat the copy-paste step to resolve most issues.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if this video helped you.